Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel where every morning at 5 a.m. there is a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now my name is Chakalia Roseway, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more about me, check the description box below. Make sure you go tell your friend them and your family them, everybody, so them for like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that they can be notified every time there is a reading. Today, we are going to read from Luke chapter 7, verse 24 to 28. Come now, and make we read the word of God together.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Luke 7, 24 to 28. And it reads, say, after John messenger them gone, Jesus start talk to the crowd about John. What kind of somebody wanna go out in the desert for see? Somebody we can't make up in mind like tall grass where the breeze blow this way and that way. If I know that, then I wanna go out in the desert for see? One man dress up in a deer clothes? No man. People who dress up in a deer clothes and live big life, live in a palace. So I wanna go out there for see? One prophet? Yes, I'm here tell you no, and him a more than just one prophet. A John it a talk about when it write down say, look, me we send me messenger for go on till you come. Him a go get people ready for you. Let me tell you no this. John bigger than anybody we ever born. But even the lowest somebody in a God kingdom, bigger than him. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.